I got inspiration to do this look from a girl on Instagram. I will link her Instagram down below so you guys can go and check it out. So first things first, I'm going in with the shade Access, which is this like yellowy based color, and I'm putting that on my big fluffy brush and putting that as our transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Stone Fox on my smaller blending brush, and all of that will be in the description box down below, like always. But I am putting that lower in the crease and then blending it up into that yellow. So we have that gradient effect from the yellow to the orange color. And then lastly, I am just taking this even darker shade on a fluffy brush, and I am just dusting this all over the eyelid to create an even more depth and dimension to the look. And then I decided that I needed the color to be darker, so I went in with a color from the 3502 palette and then just put that right over top of that color I laid down before. Now I'm going to sketch out my lines of where I want to put the spider web. So I'm just taking a darker brown shadow, and I'm just taking this really small Morphe angled brush and drawing like a cut crease almost, but with shadow. And then I am just deepening that up, and then also using the little flick marks. And then I'm going to make little marks for the rest of the web. And then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild brown liner, and I am just going to deepen that up once I've gotten the shape of everything that I wanted and how I want it to lay out on my eyelid. The lines didn't come out as clean as I wanted them to, so if you're doing this look, just make sure to take your time and be patient with your product, because little intricate looks like these can be more difficult. So now that I have the base line down and I have the centers of the little spider webs there, I am just going to fill them in by creating little webs in the middle of the eye and all of those little gaps that I have on my eyelid. If you have a smaller eyeliner tool, I would suggest using that versus just going straight in with the eyeliner, because the lines can come out a little bit too thick and it could be a little bit messy like how mine did. But I don't have a tool like that, and I didn't think to go and get one because this was kind of like a last minute tutorial idea. To finish off the eyes, I'm doing the lower lash line, and I'm going in with the shade Whiz from the 3502 palette on this like flat shader brush, and I'm putting that right on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to end up smoking it out by just blending the other colors that I used on the lid. So the Stone Fox color, the deeper color from the Morphe 3502 palette, and then that yellow shade that we put down originally. To add a little more detail, I'm going to make little spiders hanging from my wing, showing that they're the ones that made the spider webs, which is also what the girl on Instagram did. But that's pretty much the end of this look. I just ended up putting mascara on and everything else that I did on my face off camera. If you want to know any of the products that I use, just ask me down below and I'll let you know. But please subscribe, comment, share the video. I hope that you guys liked it. I hope that you're enjoying all of these spooky tutorials that I am sharing with you, and I will see you guys in my next video.